All right, this is how we do it. We got multiple projects coming here. Glued back on the broken wheel, nice and tight. Made the missing wood. Let that get dry. We're gonna sand that and stain it. Get the St. Michael statue here. Cleaned out the old glue, glued on the sword. Then we're gonna let it dry, make a hand for it. Missing wood trim on this shelf right here. Build it up. Then we're gonna sand it down, shape it, stain it. And this tabletop right here, got it in the sealer. Gonna sand the sealer, get that finalized, and we'll get them all going.